how to share others' reels on Instagram post. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways on how you can share others' reel on Instagram post. First thing first, you need to update your application and check your internet connection. To update your application, go to your Google Play Store, and on the search box, you'll need to type in Instagram. And instead of open, if you see update just like mine, then tap the update button and wait for the application to be updated. After the application is completely updated, click on the open button and log in into your account. So once you're logged into your Instagram account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Now right over here, you can see if you go to the Reels section by tapping on the Reels icon. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Now if you want to share the Reels on your post, it's not available on Instagram. So there's no such feature called reposting on Instagram. But if you're using a TikTok, you'll be able to find a feature to repost a particular post. But for Instagram, it's basically, you're copying others' content and posting it to your stories. So that may actually ban your account and all that, but you can share the reels on Instagram story. So for that, tap the arrow icon and scroll down right to the bottom. Or you can just see right on top, you have the feature as add to story. But if the following account seems to be private, then you'll not be able to add it to your story as well. So if you tap the add to story button, it's gonna add it to your story. But there is no such feature as reposting or sharing other posts on Instagram as a post. Others reel on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.